Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to put HDR on Capcut to make the videos look on 4K. This is really simple tutorial, so let's begin. Let's say we have here the clip. This is a random clip from a movie. So first thing we gotta do is go to the clip, select it, and go to effects. Here on effects, which is on adjust, we have to adjust here the colors on graphics, so we put these colors exactly how you are seeing on the screen. So now we do that, and then we go to effects, and here on effects we have to go to lens, and here on lens we put the blur effect. So we can leave it like that, and then what we have to do is to just export this video as it is on the best quality possible. So we export it, and then once it's exported we have to blend, and here on blend we have to select the burn effect and put it on 60 approximately. And then the last step is to put this screen on blank. This is really simple. We just have to search on stock photos here on Capcut, and we'll have to blend again and put the effect of overlay in this case. Now we can, like an option, adjust like brightness and contrast. In my opinion, this video doesn't need, so this is the end result. As you can see, it looks so much better and much high quality. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.